Hey guys, Dirk here, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. You're here because you're searching for a way to change the language in mail.ru, right? How can you create a email address with mail.ru in English? Hi, my name is Dirk. I'm from the Freedom Lifestyles Academy, the founder together with Muriel. If you're here for the first time and you're searching for more tips and updates and like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. The reason why I'm shooting this video is how to create a mail.ru email account in English is because we work a lot with Instagram and Jarvey and you need email accounts for that. So you cannot use the same one over and over again. So how do you create one from scratch? So let's go to, let me see if I can go here. Yeah, there we are. So I recommend this, you have to do this in Chrome because actually I don't know if it works in Firefox, but we have to do it in Chrome. So we're here in Chrome and let's go to mail.ru. It is a Russian thing. But the great thing is, if you have this extension on, it translates. So I immediately translate. So now I can see what is happening, right? So what I want to do is to go here because I can show you the original. If you do not that in Firefox, it works like this, and it's like, oh my god, where do we need to start, right? So we have this here. I click that, translate from Russian to here, and what I do, I register. And when I register, it ends up, let me see here again in Russian, and then it translates automatically as well because of this extension. So, my name is, let's use Muriel's name because I already created with my name. So, let's call her Muriel. It's actually not Muriel, my name, but it's Muriel Dijkema. Very Dutch name. And I cannot show her your birthday. She's 14 December. So, if you like to know, 14 December. I mean, I have no idea if it matters if there's an age. So, but, you know, let's give her 10 years. Let's give her 10 years, right? And because she looks beautiful, and here we go, it's female. And then let's do a desired. I had Dirk and Muriel. Let's create a Muriel and Dirk.mail.ru. There are options here, but I'm just gonna keep it mail.ru. A password. Let me, of course, it will not show. I will do it like that. And again, you have to repeat it, make it strong. So, now it's interesting if I can use my same phone number again. I have no idea. Let's see if that is possible. I do not have phone. Okay, I register and voila. So, save, whatever. Now I have to wait for my phone to ring. You can call me. I don't know if I pick up. This is just a temporary number in Costa Rica. I have to, of course, turn on my phone. Then I get an email. So, when you look carefully, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really weird looking message with all these things. And it's that number that we need. But I'm not sure if that's gonna work because this is an old one. 071. Continue. Okay. Let me check. Yeah. And now it came in. I got a second one. This one I did before. So let me go in here. 89385. And then we do continue. Okay, and now after this is being in English, it's being in Russian, you're dropped here in Russian. So, and now it does not translate. So, I did not find a way to translate here. You can edit things. But what I did, I added this one is here. So, I do Google Translate. And I could just go over, you know, and then I could copy it, or just no, it just does, it copies automatically. So upload photos and create captions, we do not have to do that. So I want to know what is here. So I'm just gonna, so you see, you can do that, but we do not want to do that. We're just gonna leave it like this. So now you're here. This is, I have not found a way to change the language here, but if we're gonna use this for Instagram, you don't need that. The emails that you will receive from Instagram are in English. They will show up here in English. If you really want to know what is what, you can always you cannot do that, but you can use Google Translate. It has this as well, translate page. So, but it, you know, it does everything. So you do not really need it. I do not recommend. I just leave it like that. It's self-explanatory. This is the inbox. This is inbox. So you always have inbox. That's not true. This is the inbox, of course. So if you get new email, you see here 3 new emails. So that being said, guys, and if you want to log out, it's here in the corner. You see your email address here, and you can log out here. So if I log out again, it will bring you to this page again. And again, this page will translate. So when you need to log in into your account, you have always the way to translate. It is translating. Oh, it's already translated. So you can fill out your email here, your password here. Yes, I can get you back. I hope this was helpful. You can translate that. Use the Translate app so you can check it out. If you're using this for creating Instagram accounts, you can of course you can also create Instagram accounts in Gmail. But if you have some variations, if for somehow you're not able to do that, Mail Your RU is a very great way to do this. So if this was helpful, if you now know how to create a mail.ru email account in English, give me thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel here on the Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.